For example, a rectangle with a length of 8 meters and a width of 3 meters has an area of 8 times 3, which equals 24 square meters. Next, triangles. The area of a triangle is calculated by multiplying the base by the height and dividing by 2. For example, if a triangle has a base of 10 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters, multiply 10 by 6 to get 60, then divide by 2 to get 30 square centimeters. For right-angled triangles, the two sides forming the right angle can be used as base and height. For equilateral triangles, there's a special formula using the square root, area equals times side squared. Parallelograms are shapes with opposite sides parallel. The area is base times height, just like rectangles, but remember the height is perpendicular to the base, not along the slanted side. Rhombuses are special parallelograms with all sides equal. You can calculate their area in two ways, either using base times height, or using the lengths of the diagonals. Multiply the diagonals together and divide by 2. Trapezoids have only one pair of parallel sides. The formula for the area is half the sum of the two parallel sides, multiplied by the height. For example, if the two parallel sides are 6 meters and 4 meters, and the height is 5 meters, add 6 plus 4 to get 10, divide by 2 to get 5, then multiply by 5 to get 25 square meters. Circles are everywhere in real life. To find the area, use the formula pi times the radius squared. Pi is approximately 3.1416. For example, if the radius of a circle is 7 centimeters, square 7 to get 49, then multiply by pi to get approximately 153.94 square centimeters. Ellipses look like stretched circles. Their area is calculated by multiplying pi by the semi-major axis times the semi-minor axis. So, if the longest radius is 8 centimeters and the shortest is 5 centimeters, multiply 8 by 5 to get 40, then multiply by pi to get about 125.66 square centimeters. For regular polygons, the area equals half the perimeter times the apothem. The apothem is the distance from the center to the middle of a side. For example, a regular pentagon with a perimeter of 20 meters and an apothem of 6 meters has an area of half of 20 times 6, which equals 60 square meters. Many real-life objects aren't perfect squares or circles. To find the area of composite shapes, break them into simple shapes like rectangles, triangles, and circles.